Welcome to Triple Sec channel. In this episode of scripting with Ghidra, I'll focus on extracting and decompiling function using Ghidra. If you are interested in binary program analysis or software security, please subscribe our channel. Okay, let's start. Let's first understand what is decompilation process and why it is useful. When we don't have access to a source code of a software and we just have the compiled version of that software or a binary file, um, and we want to analyze that software, all we have is just a binary file, and we need to use reverse engineering to understand the function semantic. And we need to analyze, machine code, which is not easy and it's tedious and arduous. And, here, the compilation process helps us to, understand and analyze function semantic. So decompilation is the opposite of compilation process. In compilation process, we have source code and we convert it to a binary file. In decompilation, we have binary file and we want to get something similar to source code. The compilation process is a very hard task because during compilation, some information, such as variable types, are missing. And it's really hard to get the decompiled code, but it's useful because instead of dealing with something like assembly language, we just need to deal with something similar to source code. Okay. Now in the next step, I'll show you how to get the decompiled code using Ghidra. Okay, let's start our practical example. Here I have VS Code, and I assume that you already installed Ghidra. If you don't know what Ghidra is, please watch my previous videos. I have a video to describe how to install Ghidra. And also, I have another video to show how to, write very simple scripts using Ghidra. Here I have two Python modules, run.py, which is responsible to run my Ghidra script, and the another Ghidra script, another Python module, which is, my Ghidra script. And I want to write a simple function to get and decompiled functions. So let's write decompile function. I assume that we want to get the decompilation for a specific function. So this function will get the function name and will return the corresponding decompilation. Okay, so first of all, in real scenarios, when we want to analyze a binary code, most of the time it's the binary is stripped. It means that the function names, uh, variable names, symbol table, debug information are not available. And we just have, function addresses. And, when we want to decompile a function, we need the corresponding function address. So I first need to, I can, for example, write another function to um, get the function name and return the corresponding function address. Okay. Um, return function address. Here I have the corresponding, no, I have the code here. I will just reuse it. Okay. The get parent program will, return the handle to the imported binary file. And then you can use function manager to access to all the functions in the binary, and you can easily just print the name of the function. And if the you know the name of the function is equal to the target function that you want, I will just print or get or return the corresponding function address. Okay, this will return the start address of the function. Okay, function address. And now, uh, I will use this function address to get the decompilation. So, in order to get the decompilation, I need decompile interface. I need to import decompile interface from Ghidra app decompiler. And to save time, I have the code here, so I will just reuse it. Um, simply. Okay. The decompile interface will open the program, and I need this function address here to get the function at the corresponding address. It will return the function object. And if the function is not null, then we will just call the decompile function you know function, and then it will return the decompile results. If the decompilation process is completed, then we will just get the decompile function, and we will just simply print the decompiled output. All right, so I will call I will call this function in the main with the function name, and I will just run my script. Okay, you see that here is the output, and because my binary is not stripped, you can see the function names and variable names. Uh, so don't be surprised, but in real scenarios, most of the time the binary is stripped, so you won't see the function names and the variable names. Okay, this was all about the compilation. I hope that you find this video useful, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any feedbacks or comments, please let me know. I will put the source code of this tutorial in the description. Thank you.